As we've said, you get complete layout freedom when it comes to DW Spectrum. So we see our list of cameras over here on the left. So let's go ahead and populate our screen. Let's go ahead and add a couple in here. And let's add a license plate camera as well. So this is your typical view, 4, 8, 12, 16, 32, 64, right? That's what you get with standard recorders. With Spectrum, we give you what I like to talk about, the minority report effect. So if you've seen that show, it gives you the ability to adjust your cameras how you see fit. So maybe you want this camera to be a little bit larger. Maybe you want the license plate camera there. Maybe you want another version of that camera underneath it here, so you can have a little bit more closer eye on what you're looking at. So this is obviously one of the most powerful tools that you can do. There's no preset layouts or limitations. You can customize this. You decide you want to save this layout, you can save it up here. Now, we can support up to 64 simultaneous cameras. So I'm just going to let this guy run here. We'll just keep adding cameras till this thing stops working. Now we could be customizing this with multiple cameras throughout your system. If we were connected to multiple systems, you could have multiple cameras from multiple systems there. So we're just going to max this guy out. We'll see when it should stop here in a moment. And you will see 64 simultaneous live cameras. There we go, 64. Now we do have some size factors, so obviously it's going to be a little distorted in how it looks. When you customize, notice how it's giving me a red arrow, a red box. That means I cannot expand it any further because I'm going into other areas, but I can change it there because I am within the grid. So that's your only limitation there. Now I've created kind of a mess of my system here, so let's just go ahead and highlight the whole area, do a right click, remove from layout, remove all those cameras, and now we can start from scratch again.